Hello, dear students. Welcome to another session with JALEEL sir. Today, I will teach you nomenclature of alkanes. In the previous lecture, some rules I taught you. Today, I will be concluding that lecture, nomenclature of alkanes, and I was discussing with you alicyclic alkanes, right? So today the rule is nomenclature of alicyclic alkanes. So as I have told you already, the rules of nomenclature for open chain alkanes, which are called aliphatic, and alicyclic alkanes are same. The only difference is, in this case, cyclo is added before word root. Other rules will remain same. These rules we have already discussed. Today few examples will come under discussion. So the rule is okay, let's continue. The rule is, if the ring has less number of carbons, if the ring has less number of carbon atoms, and the side chain has more number of carbon atoms, if the alicyclic ring has less number of carbons and the side chain attached to it has more number of carbons, then what should we do? The rule is, ring is taken as substituent. A ring is taken as substituent. So earlier the rule was, if the side chain has less number of carbons and the ring has more number of carbons, in that case side chain is taken as substituent. Here the second case is, if the ring has less number of carbons and side chain has more number of carbons, the ring system becomes substituent. To make it clear, we will write some examples. Like this. This is an example. See, now let us try to analyze this compound. See the side chain, citrate chain part. How many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 carbons in the citrate chain. And in the substituent, 4 carbons. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And in this case, the ring part will become as substituent. Okay, so the compound is named as the derivative of open chain or citrate chain alkane. Here I will write its name. So the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So at carbon number 3, there is a substituent. Its name is 3. See, try to understand. It is actually cyclobutane. Cyclobutane. But it is substituent this time. It will become cyclobutyl. Cyclobutyl at carbon number 3. Then octane. This is how we can write the nomenclature of alkane, in which the ring has less number of carbons and the citrate chain has more number of carbons. I hope it is clear, beta. Good. One more example from this. One more example. See, this is a citrate chain alkane containing 10 carbons. It is decane. Here I will write a substituent. Here one more substituent. See, two substituents. Both alicyclic substituents, cyclic substituents. Let us write the name of this compound. This is 3 carbon substituent, cyclopropane. This is cyclobutane. So first we will write as per the alphabetical order, cyclobutane. So do the numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a decane. But before that, we will write the substituents. So 5 cyclobutyl, then 3 cyclopropyl, because B comes first in alphabetical order, then decane. This is how we can name this type of hydrocarbon. Okay, done. Let's move ahead. We'll discuss one more rule, equally important. Let us see. Rule is if there are two rings, okay, joined by carbon atoms, okay, if there are 2 rings joined by carbon atoms, 1 carbon atom from each, or simply if there are 2 rings joined to each other, okay, the rule is one of them means one of the rings become a substituent. Suppose we have 2 rings, they are joined by carbon-carbon covalent bonds. Then one of them becomes a substituent, is taken as substituent. So this rule will be clear with a suitable example which I am giving this time. So if there are 2 rings joined to each other, one of the ring systems becomes a substituent. But preferably that ring becomes a substituent which has less number of carbons. Let us see how it can be named. This is cyclohexane. This is also a cyclohexane. Now, how to name this compound? The two ring systems are joined by a covalent bond, carbon-carbon covalent bond, by one linkage. Here, one cyclohexane ring will become substituent. So, its name will be cyclohexyl. Cyclohexyl, it is substituent. Then cyclohexane. So simple. Cyclohexyl, cyclohexane. Please make note of this. One more example of this type is, that is this. You can see one ring has 6 carbons and other ring has 5 carbons. Now 5 carbon ring will become a substituent. So it is cyclopentane, it will become a substituent. So cyclopentane, cyclopentyl, then cyclohexane. Make note of this. Hope this part is clear to each and every student. If you need clarification, doubt clearance, please write to me in the comment box. I will come up with new video next time if you have any doubt. Okay, good, fine, thank you. So for more such interesting videos, please subscribe to my channel.